Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adalo to make an app. Adalo is an incredible no-code platform that empowers anyone to build powerful mobile and web applications without writing a single line of code. It provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making the design process intuitive and accessible. You can bring your app ideas to life quickly, from concept to a fully functional product, ready for your users to enjoy. Now, let's dive into designing your app's interface. Adalo offers a vast library of pre-built components, like text fields, images, and buttons, which you can simply drag and drop onto your screens. You have complete control over the visual appearance, allowing you to customize colors, fonts, and layouts to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. This visual approach makes creating a beautiful and intuitive user experience straightforward and fun. Next, we'll add the brains to your app by incorporating functionality and data. Adalo allows you to define actions, connecting different screens, and creating seamless user journeys. You can easily set up a robust database to store all your app's information, from user profiles to product listings. This powerful feature enables dynamic content and personalized experiences, making your app truly interactive and responsive to user input. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Adalo makes publishing incredibly simple. You can choose to launch your app on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, reaching millions of potential users. Alternatively, you can deploy it as a progressive web application, accessible directly through a web browser. Remember to test thoroughly and gather feedback to continuously improve your amazing new app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.